Welcome back to your favorite health channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about what happens when you take 1 spoon of baking soda a day. 1 spoon of baking soda a day sounds too simple, right? What if I tell you that this humble white powder can change your life? From balancing your pH to boosting energy, aiding digestion, and even supporting kidney health, this everyday kitchen item holds incredible secret. Stay tuned because you will be shocked by what it does to your body. What is baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is naturally occurring compound. Most people use it for baking or cleaning, but it has a powerful medicinal uses. It's alkaline, meaning it can neutralize acid, and this is the secret to many of its surprising health benefits. Eating baking soda daily can affect your body's pH level, and some people are concerned that it can lead to an imbalance. The idea is that baking soda is alkaline, so consuming it could help neutralize acidity in the body. However, digestion is a complex process, and the stomach acidity is necessary for breaking down food properly. So, could daily baking soda consumption disrupt this process? Our body functions best at a slightly alkaline pH, but due to poor diet, stress, and processed food, many people have too much acid in their system that leads to fatigue, inflammation, poor digestion, and even a higher risk of disease. Baking soda helps by neutralizing excess acid, supporting overall balance in your body. Shocking health benefits of baking soda: improve digestion. If you suffer from acid reflux or heartburn, baking soda can be a game changer. Just a teaspoon in water can give almost instant relief. But another concern is that for some individuals, it can be harsh to their stomach, potentially leading to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and stomach pain. Some people might experience these symptoms more severely than others, especially if they are not used to consuming baking soda. The effect of baking soda on pH level can also have a negative impact on the body's natural buffering system. This system helps regulate pH level, and overloading it with alkaline substance like baking soda could have unintended consequences. Burst energy and reduce fatigue. Too much acid built up leads to tired muscles and low energy. Athletes actually use baking soda to reduce muscle fatigue and improve performance, support kidney functions. For people with compromised kidney function, baking soda may slow the progression of kidney disease by reducing build-up in the blood. Detoxes the body. Baking soda helps flush toxins and promote better eliminations. It also supports liver function naturally, fight inflammation. A 2018 study found that baking soda can activate anti-inflammatory responses in the body, potentially helping with autoimmune disease, arthritis, and more. Support oral health. It fights bad breath, whitens teeth, and neutralizes bacteria in your mouth. Balances pH in your body. A balanced internal environment supports better immune system, hormonal balance, and even reduce your risk of chronic illness. How to take it? Want to try it? Here is how. 1.5 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 glass of water. Drink it on an empty stomach or before meals. Don't take it immediately after eating. Let your body digest food first. Start small and build up. You don't need a lot, just enough to bring balance. Warning, and who should avoid baking soda? Baking soda is powerful, but it is not for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, speak to your doctor first. It contains sodium. Avoid long-term use without medical guidance. Don't mix it with acidic medication or take it with a full stomach regularly. Pregnant or breastfeeding, always consult your healthcare provider. One surprising finding about daily baking soda consumption is that it may interact with certain medication. For example, people taking medication for kidney disease or heart conditions should be cautious when consuming baking soda, as it could exacerbate underlying health issues. Let's talk about the real testimonial and scientific support. People all over the world are using baking soda as part of their daily health routines, and science is catching up too. Athletes, kidney patients, and even dentists are all finding benefit in this one cheap ingredient sitting in your kitchen. Who knew a spoon of baking soda could do so much? Nature often hides its best medicine in the simplest form. But always remember, natural doesn't mean harmless. Be wise, be informed, and use it correctly. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear this. What should I cover next? Drop your idea in the comment section. Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.